Well, hey there, how are you doing? So today is going to be a very fun video. Well, I hope so at least. Headed off to a car show this morning up in Manchester, Maryland. So it's about an hour away from me. It ain't too bad. And it's an All Mustang Car Show. It's definitely going to be fun to check out. Also, another really cool thing that's taking place at this show is StangMode is going to be there. And he chose this show to do his Mach 1 giveaway reveal, the winner reveal. So it's going to be kind of cool. It'd be cool to see StangMode again and just kind of hang out and whatnot. Last time I did one of these shows, it was really fun. I think he did a great job handling everything, and I'm really looking forward to this one. So I'm gonna go there, I'm gonna get things set up, I'm gonna hang out, and then I'm gonna start getting videos of some awesome cars there. Let's see what we can find. So it should be right around the corner here from the show, be pulling up soon, and yeah, we'll get started with something that's fun. I feel like it took way too long to get up here. I don't know why. We up here. This is it on the, I'm trying to think. I guess we got a spectator parking. All right, cool. Got the registration card. I wasn't gonna put the car in the show, but I figured, why not? I'm staying a while, so I threw this in the car and walk around. So there is so much to look at, and I think I'm just going to kind of gloss through most of this and just pick out certain cars that really catch my eye. I mean, they're all Mustangs, so you've seen one, you've seen them all pretty much, but this is actually pretty cool. I found another HPP EcoBoost Mustang. So this one looks like it's got all of the goodies, rather than just more of a base model, but that's all right. It actually looks good though. Red seats with a white car. It's a nice combo. This looks nice. Italian Stallion. I'm pretty sure I added this guy on Instagram. Seen this car a time or two. Just that white and black combination. Actually, these are nice. To cool it.
Don't get anything that I just wrong about it. I'll do it right here.
A lot of cars with Whipples, tell you what. Probably just 4 of them just back there. Confused Eco. Love silver. Looks good. So good. Another EcoBoost. I love some of this carbon fiber stuff. Eventually, I think I'm gonna have to get some of this. Eventually. Oh, V6.
You'd be surprised how fat that
Already walked through that row. I guess work our way over here. It's pretty cool. They got everything grouped together by generation, so kind of makes it easy to find certain cars if you're looking for them. But that was all the S550s. Well, just your regular ones, GTs, EcoBoost. They got more of the special cars over on the other side there. We'll look at them. And here's all the S197s. Oh. A little different. That looks like got the SN95s, New Edge, all that. And this road is actually not many of these. Wow. Should have brought the Cobra up.
Well, actually, that would have been also walk and have breakfast. It shows the whole breakdown.
Man, would you believe that? Not one SN95 Cobra. A couple Machs. That's it. Wow. 2 Fox bodies? That's hard to believe. Got all the old ones over here. Still not that many of them. I swear, like S550 took over.
Nowadays, it's a 401A package or a 400A or a 400A package.
Factory and drag pack car. Engine cooler and 430 rear. But that's fun. Wow. That looks really nice. That's funny. That's got really nice interior.
Thank you.
Some money right here. Holy hell. If money can't buy you happiness, it can get you pretty damn close. I tell you what, holy hell, that is so nice. We'll walk over here now, see what's on the line here. Looks like a lot of special stuff. Celine's, Roush, GT350s, 500s, California Special, all kinds of stuff over here. Oh my god, GT350s. Kryptonite Mustangs. Man.
The successors, we're the successors, we're the Nokia successors. No, the British had a car show, it would just be all BMWs. Literally, it would all be BMWs.
Nice bullet. GT 500.
It's like, I'll call you next week and I'll be able to
Huh. Oh, jeez. God. Alright, I'm gonna come back to this stuff because apparently StangMode's doing his things. After you.
He's going to give it away right now, live on his channel. Make your way down, let's show some support to him.
All right.
Thank you so much for having us. If you guys don't know who we are, we're coming from the StangMode YouTube and giveaway channel. We had the opportunity to give away this beautiful 2021 Mach 1 Mustang and an unprecedented $30,000 cash. So what we do, if you go to our website and grab some merch, you're entered to win. We also do things for charity. Our latest one was our friend Ben, who unfortunately has cancer, but we were able to raise some funds for him as well. So we always try to give back. And also the great thing is you get a car like this. Today's entries for this actually ended on April 30th, so we're announcing the winner today. But the good news is that we still have the entries here to support the firehouse for the PS5 there. So thank you so much for those who came out and said hello. We're humbled by the opportunity. So yeah, we're going to call the winner of this car, the Mach 1 and 30K cash live, and then we'll announce the winner of the PS5 and the John Wick Mustang. Just want to say thank you so much to Beltway Mustangs. Appreciate the opportunity to come out here and meet you guys. We also get to be judges today and see your beautiful Mustangs. Unfortunately, my Mustang is not doing so well, but we'll try to bring it to the next one. But I'll tell you right now, I am truly blessed by the Mustang community, and to see you guys and talk to you and just share our war stories with our Mustangs, and just a great day and a great community. So what we're going to do now is we are going to call the winner of this. I hope they answer. And make sure your phones are on. Maybe it's one of you, and we'll see how they feel about winning a 2021 Mach 1 Mustang and $30,000 cash. Sir, do you have the winner? All right, that's going to go to Nicole. She's going to make the call. We do mini giveaways too for like iPads and MacBooks, and people get more excited about that. Usually when you say you want a car, they're like, my warranty is fine, okay? I don't need anything like that. So hopefully this person answers. Make sure your phones are on if you are in the audience as well. We are ready. Uh-oh.
Well played. Love it.
Hello, James. Hey, James, this is Stang Mode from StangMode.com. How you doing, sir?
Pretty good. How you doing?
Well, I just want to say congratulations because you are the winner of the 2021 Mach 1 and $30,000 cash. How does it feel?
What was that?
What'd you say? I said that you won the 2021 Mach 1 and $30,000 in cash.
What?
Yes, sir. We want to thank you so much. Go ahead.
Yes,
Well, you actually are here, not to put you on the spot, you're here at the huge Beltway Mustang show right here in Maryland with over 100 cars registered and hundreds of people, so not to put any pressure on you, but yes, sir, this is your car.
Well, thank you so much. I can't believe that. Great.
Well, we're glad that you entered, and we're happy for you. And where is he from? Where's James from? James, where you from?
Colorado.
All right, from the great state of Colorado. That's a long trip. Are you going to drive it, or are you going to have it shipped? We're going to ship it to you.
So the thing with that, I'm actually deployed.
Oh, thank you for your service. Well, James, we're definitely appreciative of your service, and we're happy that we feel like a well-deserved service. We deserve something like this. So, 2021 Mach 1 and 30 cash is yours.
James, thank you for your service, and also we'll figure it out for you, dude. We'll give you a call, and we'll make sure that however we have to make it happen for you, whether we have to hold it, ship it to a family member, or bring it, that's up to you. We'll figure it out.
Okay. Awesome. I appreciate it.
Well, we're going to be in touch. I'll send you the paperwork, and we'll send you the title, and we'll start the process of getting you your brand new Mustang at $30,000 cash. All right. Thanks again, James. We'll be in touch, and appreciate your service. God bless you.
Thank you. You have an amazing day.
You too.
Take care, James. Bye.
All right, thank you so much to everyone who participated, and congrats to James. We appreciate his service, and he's deployed currently, but we'll make sure that we figure out a way to get him his beautiful new Mustang, Fighter Jet Gray, military inspired, and $30,000 cash. So, whew, God bless him.